Hello and welcome. This is attorney Alan Edmunds speaking to you from one of our offices at the Edmunds Law Firm. As many of you know, we have offices in California, Texas, North Carolina, Florida, and Washington, D.C. Today I'm holding up another favorable decision, this from the Department of the Army, and it concerns a notice of termination of debarment decision. What happened is this individual hired us. He was doing business on board a installation, and they filed a debarment action for certain conduct that was alleged to have been committed by him. This meant that his business and him as an individual were debarred from entering the base. He called the Edmunds Law Firm at 800-481-2526, retained us to file a response. So I'm going to read the language. Forgive me for looking down, but I'm going to read the language from this notice that we just received on January 8th. And it says, the Department of the Army has received and reviewed your request for reconsideration dated December 23rd, 2025. Included with your submission was a copy of the matters in opposition. And then he said, in your request for reconsideration, you asked that I terminate the notice of debarment dated December 16th, 2025, on the grounds that your matters in opposition were not considered. So what the Edmunds Law Firm did, what my lawyers did, was file a response to this with exhibits and a legal brief. We argued the facts, and we sent this back in response to the debarment action, and the deciding official, and they call him Army Suspension Debarment Officer, said this, quote, I have decided to terminate the notice of debarment dated December 16th, 2025, and your associated exclusion effective the date of this letter. So my client's business was reinstated at this installation. He personally was reinstated and allowed to enter the facility. A win-win for him. If you have a debarment action, or for that matter, any type of federal action being taken against you, call it a notice of proposed action, call me. I've been doing these things for over 45 years, and we are here to serve you through our offices coast to coast. 800-481-2526. This is Alan Edmunds. I look forward to your calls.